Hello guys, today let's solve the code Dota2 Senate problem. It's 649. The problem statement is that in the world of Dota2, there are two parties, the Radiant and the Dairy. The Data2 Senate consists of senators coming from two parties. Now the Senate wants to decide on a change in the Dota2 game. The voting for this change is a round-based procedure. In each round, each senator can exercise one of the two rights. One is born on the senator's right, second one announce the victory. Let us go to example one. Example one senate is R and D. R is the radiant and D is the dowry. This is the sequence. The first senator comes from the radiant and he can just ban the next senator, the rights, whatever he has in the round one. And the second senator can't exercise the rights anymore since his right has been banned. Correct? I mean, D can't do anything here. That's why R is the winner. And in the round two, the first senator can just announce the victory since he's the only guy in the senator who can vote. So that's why Radiant. Second example is Senate RDD. In this case, let's see how it works. The first senator comes from the Radiant and he can just ban the next senator right in the round one. Right? That means this D is you can't do anything. You don't have any rights. Okay. And the second senator can't exercise any rights anymore since its right has been banned by the first R. And then third senator comes from the dairy and he can ban the first senator's right in the round one. So this guy will come and this guy will ban the rights of D. No, rights of first one R. Okay, and round two, the third senator can just announce the victory since he is the only guy in the Senate who can vote now. Okay, that's about the problem. In this problem, we will try to solve using queues. First, we'll solve using C++. Later, we'll see about Golang. Okay. So now I will try to include uh, queue I am planning to use now. Okay. Using namespace. Okay. So maybe I will use iversion so that some string and all will be taken care from that. Okay. Okay. Now what we will do is we'll find the length actually. Length of sanity dot length. So you have the length now. Let us create queue also. We need two queues to store the indices of this R and I mean radiant and dairy. So we'll create two queues, RQ and DQ. Okay. Let us fill the indices of these things. So I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So what we will do is if we'll check it out if sanity of I equal to R, then what we will do is we'll try to push this indices to the RQ. Okay. Else we'll just try to push into the DQ. Okay. That's it. So now we got this where the positions of this radiant and dairy in the queues, separate queues. Now next what we will do is we will try to see we'll try to check these RQs. Oops. RQ. Oops. RQ should not be empty, and DQ also should not be empty. Okay. We'll just iterate this both the queues till these things are not empty. So what we will do is we'll get the RQ first front, actually that index of that one. Similarly, we can get the index of the dairy also. Uh, DQ front. Okay. Now we will get the indices. We are reading indices. We'll check it out if RI is less than dairy index. That means we will try to push the RI index plus n, because we are pushing this element at the end actually. That means next iteration will become, basically I'm talking about this case. Once we become R D, we need to check about one D is winner here, then we need dairy is winner, then we need to uh, ban all the rights of R. R means next one. So for that actually we are taking care of this way. So else what we can do is else dq dot push of di plus l. Okay. Okay. Cool. So now we got these two things. Now what we will do is we will try to remove these elements from the remove the top elements, because what we processed already those things, right? Okay. We're removing the front elements because we already processed that. Now we need to do just this thing, return rq dot size is greater than 0, radiant else diary. That's it about the solution. Let us see this one work or not in our C++ solution. Okay, let us run and see. Yeah, it is accepting and we'll try to execute this. Perfect. Okay, that's it about C++ solution.